What is convenience? Convenience is not wasting all of your time traveling to get groceries, to get food, to go shopping. That is what my newest listing here in Nolan Hill does, unlike any other. You're 2 minutes to grocery stores, 5 minutes to shopping, Costco, food, not to mention 5 minutes out of Calgary and 25 minutes to downtown. You're not gonna wanna miss this beautiful property in Nolan Hill, 75 Nolanhurst Rise. COVID changed everything. We have people working from home now, or part-time at home and part-time in the office. And when you're working from home, you need a space that you can get your work done. Well, welcome to your new home office. You wanna know my favorite part of this house? It has air conditioning. That's coming from somebody that's sitting on a 30-degree day or 86 Fahrenheit for the people in the States. But enough of that. Look at this kitchen, these granite countertops, the amount of storage you have. And my favorite part? This is a microwave. It's the little things, right? Now, have you wanted a bonus room? Well, you're not gonna wanna miss the bonus room we have upstairs. Let's go take a look. Look at this den. Isn't it perfect for just lounging, having a lounging room, a TV area, and it's brought together beautifully by these two skylights pouring in the natural light. You wanna know the best part though? You don't have to clean it when company's over because they don't have to come upstairs. Now, have you wanted to be a landlord? Well, don't miss out on the illegal basement suite downstairs. Let's go take a look. Look at this illegal basement suite. The granite countertops, the cabinetry, the separate washer dryer, the separate entrance. It has the perfect opportunity with a few minor changes to make it into the perfect illegal basement suite. You want to buy the house yet? Well, our information's below. Reach out, or if you're just wanting to watch cool property tours, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.